This is a really interesting find. Look at this. This size 9.5. Got the PSGs. The 6 PSGs. Not bad. That. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. Yeah, we hitting up one of the Orange County outlets. I'm staying with some family out in East LA County, so Orange County's not that far away. We're heading out to Orange County to visit one of the Nike outlets. So we visited Ontario Mills yesterday. There should be a separate video for that. Go ahead and make sure you check that one out. Yeah, this will actually make the 13th different Nike outlet that I've been to for you guys. 13 different ones in 3 different states. So yeah, make sure you check out all them old videos. I got at least 50 videos that I've already made and stuff like that. So make sure you guys go and check that out. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss all the new stuff coming out. But yeah, let's go check out this Nike outlet, see what's up, you guys. All right, they just opened up, what, 10 minutes ago? See what we can find, you guys. See what we can find. Pretty good size outlet here. Pretty good size outlet. Not bad. See a 30% off sign on the hash wall. So, all right. Pretty good size outlet here. Pretty good size outlet. Not bad. See a 30% off sign on the hash wall. So, all right. Hey, we even starting off with some heat. Look at this, size 14s. Size 14, you guys. Wow. They actually got a couple. Look, got a couple. Wow. Hope they got them in size 10. All right, so no Kyrie tacos. No Kyrie tacos out here, but they still got heat. Look at this. Someone already returned one of the. Wow. Someone already returned one of the Joyrides. That's crazy. Good way to get a 30% off. Really good way to get a 30% off. See, this is what I don't understand, you guys. At the other places, they got these for $129. They're trying to get $150 out here. You get the 30% off, but still, that's crazy. Damn, that's it. See, another weird thing. This is the cheapest Nike Air Max Post I've ever seen in my life. That is just crazy. Look at that, $50-something. $50-something. What color is that? Velvet brown. Damn, that is so cheap. $55, and then that's about 30% off. So it's gonna be like $40. $40. And the crazy thing is, resale's still not there, even at $40. Check the eBay, it's still not there. Crazy shipment. Oh, I guess these just hit the hash wall. The Kyrie 3s just hit the hash wall. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Never seen so many Kyrie 3s. For $119, but you get that 30% off. That makes it alright. These are just everywhere. These are everywhere, you guys. It's just crazy. Got like more out there as well. Oh, these must have just hit the hash wall, you guys. Like from the regular section. Like, that's crazy. But they're not even that cheap either. $115. Get that 30% off, but still, man, we've seen that for way cheaper. In the size 7, we got some flight posits for $70 after 100, after 30% off. It's not bad. Knicks colorway, not bad. Got some LeBron lavas, going for $160. This is a really interesting find. Look at this. This size 9.5. Got the PSGs, the 6 PSGs. Not bad. That. Not bad. These are cool as hell, man. 9.5 won't fit me, but these are nice. 30% off. That's how you get the deal. 30% off. We're gonna have to take this for a thumbnail because that's a crazy good find. Crazy good find. Oh, that's a sick deal for you Kyrie lovers. So, Kyrie 5 cookies and cream going for $110. 30% off. That's legit. How much are these going for out here? $120. And oh, that's actually lower than the clearance center. That's actually lower. Not bad. $110. These going for retail, but you do get that 30% off. So it's the PG3. PG3. I don't know what colorway that is. It's black and white, but not bad. They really got a pretty good selection here. Got the Epic React Flyknits right there. That's going for a pretty good price. $90 for these. 30% off. They got the Pegasus 35s. little bit high, but you get that 30% off, makes it worth it. Seen these at a few places. I'm a big fan of these. Look at that. Like a denim material or something, khaki material, I don't know. Looks like a denim material, but just not the typical jeans color. But yeah, not bad. Size 11s. I swear I saw these for cheaper at one of the retail stores recently. I don't know, that should be up on it. Should have a video of that already uploaded. Yeah, that's always good. You see that reflective way from the back. That's not bad. 30% off. Still going for retail, but 30% off. You can't complain with that. Tinker 3s. Tinker 3s. Got the black lavas. We're in the size 12. Black lavas. Retail with 30% off. Oh, okay. Got the Houston Oilers. He's going for retail too. Houston Oilers LeBron 3s. Not bad. Not bad. Dang, they got some heat. They got some heat for your Bigfooters. Look at this. Kobe's. The up-tempos that I like, they're still going for retail though. 30% off though. 30% off. See, this just don't make no sense. Why are these going for retail? I got these at Shoe Palace for $100. They're going for retail here. Come on, man. Come on, Nike. What you guys doing? I'm trying to get me a pair of these too. Not no retail. Fuck that. 8s. Not bad. Got 8s. Price a little high though. I got a full size one of these too. Come on, Nike. They're not moving. They're not moving. Come on, guys. Figure it out. Tinker 3 reds. Not bad. These ain't bad. Nice budget option. The TEs. Fadeaways. $60. Not bad. Futures. People still buying these? And these used to retail for $150. That's crazy. $150. Damn. $60 though. These are the only hydro slides. I think these are like the cheapest ones without light there. All the other ones got some quality in them. These are terrible. $35, still overpriced. They got SBs, but they're all the Janowskis and they're probably not even the Janowskis, but they're the no dunks though. No dunks. Those are the best ones. Mamba Focus. These actually don't look that bad. I don't know if they got any tech in them, but not bad. Not bad. Yeah, these on sale everywhere. Seen these low as $40-some. Damn, these are old. How are they not out of these? LeBron 14 lows. Damn. Pricey. Oh, these are nice, but pricey. Are these the Deons? Are these the Deons in green? These are actually dope. Not a fan of the colorway, but man, $70. That seems like a steal, man. Holy shit. Seems like a steal. See how it looks with looking proper. Hold on, let's see how it looks. Yeah, those are nice. Those are nice. Just not green. Not green. Alright, these are priced kind of high. A little discount, but still a little steep. Air Max Plus.
So we got one already.
Some more Air Max Plus. Oh, and that's a steal right here. Look at this. I'm not a fan of this right here, but pretty clean. Got that tumbled leather. Look at that. Does not look bad, you guys. $70. Man, they got some steals here today. That's legit. Those of you who like to train, the tech trainers. It's like a shield material, that neoprene or whatever the hell that is. Not bad. Metcon 3s, not bad. I've seen the Metcon 5s for close to this with the 30%, but not bad. These ain't bad. The wind flows, they're real similar to the Pegasus. I kind of look like the Pegasus 34s, but yeah, but similar technology. Got the Zoom Air with Lunarlon on the outside. Not bad. More colorways of the wind flows. Last one, not bad. Pegasus 35s, or not bad. We've seen these for sale for cheaper at the clearance center, but you can usually find them on the hash wall. But yeah, look at that, man. You usually see them at the hash wall though, if you really want them. More colors, 35. Pegasus 35 again. More 35s. This is a TV colorway. I don't remember what that stands for. We talked about this a while back, but I don't remember what that stands for. I'm checking out the women's section real quick. 59 for the Cortez, 30% off. Huh? What is this? The downshifter. This is like their budget shoe, but damn, 20. So it come out to $21 at the end. That's a deal right there. I'm talking about here, 30% off the Pegasus Zoom Turbos. Not bad. Well, that's kind of a cool colorway. I don't know the price, but look pretty cool. We've seen this at that other spot, at that other outlet. $80. Those are pretty cool. 97s. What Jordan is this? I've never seen these. What the hell is that? Jordan 1 Gestures? Gesture 20s? No clue what that is. $80, 30% off. Apparel Flyknits. I'm not a big fan of this colorway, but $70, man. That's the way to do it. Well, got a little Vapor Max action. Out in LA, all these are going for what, 129 or 109 or something. Not bad though. Like this. Some of the apparel, dude, look at this. Look at this. That's what, $50. Normally 125. Dude, these are dope. The up tempo shirts, but they are heavy as hell. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could feel how heavy that is. Dope though. Price is kind of high here, man, especially even for the clothes. Look, $45, normally $65. I think I paid like 20 something for these fleece ones. Damn, price is kind of high, you guys. Y'all tripping out here. They have a lot of apparel here, but yeah, these prices they're not helping out, man. They're not very good. So yeah, we're gonna step, you guys, and yeah, we out, you guys. So that Nike outlet, it was interesting. The pricing was very interesting, but it was all right. It was all right. Didn't find none to cop, did not find none to resell, but it's all right. Not too bad. Yeah, if you guys like these type of videos, go ahead, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. All I do is go hit up Nike outlets, go hit up different stores, review some shoes, that type of stuff. But make sure you subscribe, you guys, because yeah, I think I got some good content out there for you guys. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.